Virgin Galactic short squeezing more than ever. I'll give you all the news, the numbers, what's going on, why is this happening live right now. If you just tuned in, tap the like button, share this out to as many people as possible. This is exciting. Consider subscribing to our channel. We've been promising for ages that Virgin Galactic will go to $100. It will. You just have to have patience. We are in the middle of a short squeeze. 12.82. But this is nothing. This is just the beginning of what's potentially possible. We represent 95% of the world's retail investors on this stock. So when we go live talking about Virgin Galactic, we can move it. This is Virgin Galactic, the dawn of a new age. And I've got all the information to support this as well. Some breaking news, some information that you've not seen before on Virgin Galactic. SPCE, pumping today on a huge volume, on huge short squeeze interest. I'll explain it all to you. This is very, very exciting. Are you ready? Okay, here we go. Pay close attention. Virgin Galactic. I'll give you all the news. Richard Branson smiling today as we open the door to a new age. Things are about to go up. And we've often spoke about we don't want to walk or run or anywhere in between to the moon. We want to stand on the moon. And we're ready to go into space with Virgin Galactic. I'll bring you all the facts, all the information, everything that you need. Let's get ready. Are you ready? Let's do it live right now. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, and welcome to Martyn Lucas Investor. Have you tapped the like button? We want 100 likes to share this out. Big moment if you like investing and making money quickly, and consider subscribing as well. Let me give you all the news. So first of all, I'm going to show you the volume today. What is a short squeeze? A short squeeze is when you have excessive amounts of short interest, those that are betting on it going down. And I love crushing shorters. I can't stand shorters at all. If you short the market, then more fool you. You often win the battles, but you always lose the wars. The volume today, let me share with you the volume. This is important. You need high volume. At the moment, today's volume is, I'm just going to refresh this screen. You need high volume and a high short interest. Today's volume is 4.6 million. The average volume is only 4.5. So we don't have huge amounts of volume at the moment, yet this is going up 12.5%. So more people will notice this, then volume will come, and then we'll really squeeze. All right? Let me show you the numbers. This is the average volume, 4.5, and we're now at 4.6. So we're above normal, but nothing. We should have 400 times, 400 million for a full-on short squeeze. So the short squeeze hasn't even started yet. We're just lining up. These are the numbers. Let me bring it to you. The short interest. Now, anything above 20% is excessive. We've had 22s when we pumped. We've had a bit of a short squeeze at 22, 24. We're now at 28. There's much, much more short interest now. 28. All we need now is some volume, and we are better than we've been before. Now, we've had short squeezes break out on this before, and then people took profit. It was a very short-lived thing. If we go back here and just look back here, this is when it really squeezed. We went to nearly $6. And that was with less short interest. At that point, we had some in the region of like 22, 24. We've now got 28%. All we need now is volume. We just need a few people to come in and buy this, and we're going to go straight up to $10. Okay? Now then, there's lots of reasons to support that as well. I'm going to give you some extra information that you might like. So just stand by. I'm just bringing this up. I've just literally prepared this a few seconds ago. Very, very exciting it is to bring you this live. I've got 3 bits of news here for you. That is potentially what's going on. First of all, we've got Trump Musk feud could open up opportunities for Rocket Lab. We talked about this. Other space sectors could explode now because of the Trump-Musk feud. You've now got this potential of cutting funding and support for SpaceX. And now, not that Virgin Galactic replaces SpaceX, obviously, but other money might flow into other space projects like Virgin Galactic. So Rocket Lab could be a direct beneficiary from SpaceX, because it kind of does what SpaceX does, not entirely, of course. It's not going to put people on Mars, but deploying satellites, it certainly does, and much more efficiently. So Rocket Lab could be a massive beneficiary to all of this. But also, you might see it spill over into Virgin Galactic. You see it's mentioned here. All right, so that's a potential catalyst. Power Solutions, Microvast among industrial stocks to join the Russell 3000. Virgin Galactic, Solidion to exit. So let's have a look at this. FT Russell has released a preliminary list of companies set to join or leave the Russell 3000 microcap index as part of its 37th annual reconstitution. Following industrial companies are slated to join, we have Power Solutions, Microvast, EOS, Landbridge, and Trinzo, among others. Industrial firms leaving the index include Virgin Galactic. Virgin Galactic are leaving the Russell. Now, that's not necessarily a bad thing. This year's reconstitution concluded. Okay, so it looks like there's not much to say other than the fact that SPCE look like they're leaving the... Oh, hang on, here it goes. They're leaving the Russell. Now, what we want to see, because I always say Russell is something I never invest in. Most companies on the Russell will be go bust in 4 or 5, 10 years. 80% do. Don't even bother with the Russell. It's the cheap rubbish. I actually would love to see Virgin Galactic leave the Russell. That's good for me. It's the rubbish index, and go into the S&P 500. Well, that's a long way away, of course, but that's where we want to see it go. That's where we want to see it go. Now Virgin Galactic is taking off. I've also got this story here. Virgin Galactic soars up 80% after reigniting bulls with its strategy update. This was back in May 16th, so just a couple of weeks ago. Let me read this. Virgin Galactic rallied sharply, this was like 2 weeks ago, due to a combination of better-than-expected Q1 earnings, a narrower loss from a year ago, and a positive update on its future spaceflight plans and pricing strategies. The space tourism company confirmed that it is on track to begin payload flights with its new Delta-class spaceships in summer of 2026, with private astronaut flights scheduled for fall 2026. Virgin Galactic also disclosed plans to raise ticket prices above the $600,000 mark for the upcoming flights, with analysts seeing a signaling confidence in strong future demand and improved profitability. So you're benefiting from the demand, so you can increase prices, and at the same time you feel confident in doing so, because you're going to get extra profit as well. So it's a double whammy. Very, very exciting stuff indeed. All right, the space tourism company confirmed. Where are we? Confirmed that it is on track to begin payload flights with its new Delta-class space flights in summer 2026, with private astronaut flights scheduled for fall of 2026. Virgin Galactic also disclosed plans to raise ticket prices above the $600,000 mark for improved profitability and strong demand. Sorry for repeating that. Virgin Galactic is also above halfway through a feasibility study for a potential second spaceport in Italy. During the earnings conference call, CEO Michael Glazier says Space is starting with a target to be able to fly 125 flights a year over the course of the year. Let's keep an eye on the stock price. You can see it's actually squeezing at the moment. All we need now is volume, a few people to come in, and this can go straight to $10. We keep telling you that this is going to happen. It's just a matter of time. TD Cowen got a buy rating on Virgin Galactic following the report. We expect SPCE to operate a highly profitable commercial spaceflight business with its full-scale service inclusive of 300 to 400 passenger flights each per year, spacecraft updated analyst Oliver Chen said. He noted that Virgin Galactic Space, SPCE, has a first-mover advantage in a high barrier-to-entry market and appears well-positioned to capitalize on strong demand from high-net-worth consumers. Space's efficient manufacturing model, which leverages external suppliers for major spacecraft and carrier spacecraft subassemblies, should enable the company to explore the commercial human spaceflight market outside the US over the long term, he added. Shares of Virgin Galactic were up 81%. That's 2 weeks ago, but that's nowhere near the amount that it could short squeeze this time, because all we need is volume, and you can see it's going up on this broadcast. We knew this was going to happen. Very, very exciting. We can see this going to $10. All we need now is volume. Let's see if the volume is increasing. When we started this show, we were looking at 4.68. Let me just share with you on the screen. Now, we do represent the world's largest community of, in fact, 95% of the retail investors of the world follow this show. So it won't take long for this to get noticed by everybody and start seeing it go up. 4.68, which is nothing. We had way more than that last time. This is a few buys have bought a lot of shares. This is good. All we need now is some volume, and boom, we're going up. Let me refresh it and see if it's moved. 4.68. 4.68. 5. Now we're starting to move. Still very small. People will pay attention to this. All of a sudden, you'll see people start to notice that we're live. We're talking about it. We're up 14%. All we need now is some volume. This is very exciting. On a day, we're going to get an all-time high on the S&P. We're just an inch away from it now. As soon as we get news from the China deal, the stock market will rally. This will go up to $10. I'm telling you right now, it's already going up 14%. The moment we came live, it started to move. This is really, really great. This is not financial advice, but I can tell you that we are in the middle of another short squeeze. The volume is going up as we speak. This is exactly what we said. People are paying attention now. We're moving up quicker than it was before I came live. The stock is moving quicker. Look at it go. 15.37. It's starting to move. Shorts are going to get crushed. It's fantastic. This is really, really good. I'm loving it, loving it, loving it. Awesome stuff. Let me come back to, let me just check. Everybody on X. We've got an audience on X who are following this morning. Guys, repost the stream. I can see that followers are going up. I tell you what, I'm going to go over on X now and do everything I can to help this go, because I represent the biggest audience in the world for Virgin Galactic. So let me repost this now. I'm going to quote this. I'm going to make sure everyone gets to see this now. Virgin Galactic, here we go. There we go. If you want to promote the stream, do some super chats. That will also promote the stream, because YouTube get commission on that. Do some super chats. If YouTube make money on this stream, they'll push it out to more people. Why isn't everyone tapping the like button? What's wrong with you? We should have 100 likes now to get it suggested on YouTube. Everyone tap the like button. This is going to be massive. Come on. Everyone tap the like button as I get to work for you. Here we go. SPCE. I'm going to quote our Zebic fans as well. They'll want this. ZBCN. Calling all Lucasades. You watch this go up now. You watch it go up now. Calling all Lucasades. Investors of SPCE. Okay, here come the super chats. This will promote the stream.
Brian Bynum donated $5 through a super chat.
Everyone tap the like button.
Thank you, Martyn. Go SPCE.
We need 100 likes to get suggested on YouTube, and we could get a short squeeze. Virgin Galactic. I'm doing everything I can to promote this for you. SPCN calling all Lucas Eggs investor Virgin Galactic. Let's put in there Zebic, because they'll want to be in this one. Zebic. ZBCN. I have a live short. I have a live short squeeze for you. Live. Whoops. Wish I could type faster. Live now. Okay, I have a live short squeeze for you live now. I think that's all I need to do. I've quoted the people that will be interested. Lucas A's, SPCE, Virgin Galactic. I think that'll do. Okay, post that. That's going out on X. As it accelerates, it's accelerating. Has everyone tapped the like button? There it goes. Has everyone tapped the like button? Consider subscribing as well if you're new here. Let me check the volume now. It was at 5.03. When we came on air, it was 4.8. And it started to move up as we came on air. Let's have a look. 5.19. Yep. It's accelerating. The volume is accelerating now. I mean, it's going to go up naturally over the day. It does. But we want to see it accelerate. Because if it accelerates, everybody will get wrecked. All those shorters are going, oh, my God, this is not what we want. Martyn Lucas is pumping it. Well, I'm not pumping it because I don't own it. You can't pump and dump what you don't own. But I do want to see all my Lucas Age win. Look at that. Look at that. 15.5. Let's go. Can everyone smash the like button, please? We want 100 likes on this to get it out to more people. There's 234 watching. What's wrong with you? Come on, everybody. You can make some real money here. Everyone tap the like button and share this out. This is very, very exciting. My Zebic audience that will be coming in as well. They're starting to come in now. Yep, I can see my Zebic audience. What I'm going to ask you to do is share it on to your audience as well. So here's my X account. Here it goes. Here it goes. You want to get in on this? Can everyone go to X? I've given you the link in the chat. Let me do it again. Can everyone repost this? Repost this now. If you want to make some serious money, all you got to do is repost this. There you go. There's my X. Can everyone tap the like button, repost it? We're now promoting it on our X now. So there we go. It's starting to go. 11 reposts, 13 likes. Do the one above as well, because the one above has got all the information that will reach our Zebic audience as well. All right, so go and repost both of it. This is your money, folks. Yep, it's going 16.7, 17%. The volume is going through the roof. The likes are going up now. There's nothing to stop it. All we need now is volume to come in and it can go straight to $10. Absolutely great. So happy for everybody.
Jerry and Elba donated $2 through a super chat.
Let's go.
Let's go, Sps.
Let's go. Let's pump it up. It's your money. It's your money you're making. I'm just trying to help everybody win. I don't own a single share of it. I don't know why I don't. I should. Let's go.
The year is 1991. Birds and people are living together in seemingly perfect harmony until one
Nearly 17%. Let me check on the volume.
It's Phoenix.
It's going faster and faster now. Yep. Volume now is surging. Volume now is surging. 5.44. It's going up faster. I'm doing my part. I'm doing my part. I'm bringing it to you. It's surging now. Short squeezing. It's wonderful to see it. There it goes. If the volume continues like this, we'll go to $10. Absolutely great. Absolutely great. Let me go back over to X. Has everyone tapped the like button? Have you subscribed? Come on, everybody. Don't stop. Don't take profit. You did it last time. Just hold it. Let me refresh on X. See how that's going. More and more people are coming in now. We've got a short squeeze happening. Yes, it's getting reposted. This is great. Look at this. This is good. 11 reposts. 16 on this one. It's starting to move. Everyone repost. There's the link on X. I'm going to have to go in a minute. I can't stay on this very long. I've been here since 7 o'clock this morning. I've been here like 3.5 hours. So I've got to go. I haven't had breakfast or anything. So don't give up the pace. Keep it going. Let's share the scenes of Virgin Galactic. Here we go. Virgin Galactic short squeezing. It just needs some extra volume and we'll go straight to $10. Once it breaks this $4 at $4.50, then there's nothing to stop it. You just got to stop trimming and stop selling. Just hold on to it. Everyone tap the like button, share this out. It's a wonderful day if you are investing in space. Absolutely fantastic. Things are really taking off now. We can make some serious money here today. No idea why anyone's taking prices at this level. This could be another reset and go again. What's the volume now? Let me have a look at what the volume is and come back to it. The volume is now 5.63. Yes, it's going up nicely. It's not enough volume. Everyone needs to buy into this if you want to see it really take off. Look at this. This is good. 11 Awesome stuff. All right. Now I'm going to leave it. I really have to go, but this is a wonderful, wonderful day.
Matthias donated 190 Norwegian kroner through a super chat. Let's go SPCE.
Thank you for all the super chats. These will promote the live stream. Absolutely great. Push it out to more people. We need to get the word out. So you've all done your best. You've all reposted the streams, which is absolutely fantastic on X. There's nothing more I can do. This could keep running and running and running now, but I'm going to have to... oh, lovely. It's going up again. That's healthy. There's nothing wrong with a short squeeze, just profiting and then going up again. Because look, that shows you people are prepared to buy back, which is very, very nice. Let's keep an eye on it for just a few more moments, shall we? How many people are watching the stream now? 249. Yeah. This is not too bad. Should we stay with it just for another minute? I've really got to go. I can't stay here much longer. LEB, I did my best. I doubled my shares. Congratulations, LEB. M. Stanley, hold. Let me bring all the comments on the screen. Yeah, everyone needs to tap the like button and share this out onto X. I've given you the link for X. There it is. If you're watching and you want some free shares of using Robinhood, there's Robinhood USA and there's Robinhood UK. If you click on my link, you'll get free shares today. If you haven't got Robinhood already in the UK or the US, if you want our Discord, there it is. We've got our part 3 of our training program coming out today. We provide a free training course. Well, it's not free. I pay for it to give it to you. So there you go. Holding. I did my best. Doubled my shares. Up we go. All right. This is good. Okay. I'm going to love you and leave you. I really have to go. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to send you all to the extra channel so we can, I will replay this stream for everybody that's tuning in at a later time. But this way you can carry on the conversation and watching it with each other live. That would be great. So live now on extra. Okay. Live now on extra. I'll pin it to the top. There you go. That's now pinned to the top. Let me make sure it's going to go there as well. Live now. Let me customize this so the show yes, it's already set there. So as I end this stream, it'll take you over to the extra channel. You can stay with each other, talking to each other, supporting each other, finding out what's going on. That way you can keep up to date with it all. All right, guys, I'm going to love you and leave you. I've really got to go. Good luck. Just hold. You haven't got to sell. You're buying it under value anyway. What a great time to own it. They make friggin' spaceships, says Brian Bynum, holding my 900 shares. Holding. I did my best, doubled it up. Hold, said M. Stanley. All right, there you go. Up we go. This stock used to be worth $1,000. No, it didn't, Bucks and Blonde. No, it didn't. You're talking about a reverse split, okay? It never was $1,000. It was the highest it was $70. It had a 20 for 1. It resplit. It was never $1,000. So Bucks and Blonde, it was never. I bought it at $70. That's not how this game works. All right. So there you go. Sod it. Just bought more. 562. Congratulations to all of you. Holding. News on CEO interviews. Oh, I am going to do a members only announcement. I could do it later on today, actually. In fact, no, I'm going to wait. Yes, I do have some announcements on 2 CEOs coming on the show, but I'm going to do members only. So stand by for that. They get you down, but you get back up again. That's right. Come on, Space. All right, guys, I'm out of here. I'm going to love you. See you back in a bit. Good luck, everybody. It's very exciting. 28% short. Now we need to explain to you anything above 20 is excessive. The famous or infamous, whichever way you like to call it, famous short squeeze on GameStop was 100% short interest. Just so you know how big it can actually get. All right. So we are still early doors on this, but you're buying it way under value. Sadly, people are taking profit again, but be careful because all of a sudden you're going to wake up and find there's $10. And if it goes $10, when they start flying, it's going straight to $100. I've got no doubt in my mind that's coming. I've been saying now for several years. People keep criticizing me, going, oh, yeah, you keep saying it. Well, I will keep saying it. Things take time. They don't go in your time frame. They're not, these people aren't sitting around looking at how much money you've got as a retail investor and, when you want it to go up. It's not how it works, all right? But it's going up. It's going to happen. Okay, so I'm going to get off. We've got an all-time high round the corner today. And when that happens, Virgin Galactic will go straight up. Bought 3 times today, said Marks. My bad. No, not at all. Bucks and Blonde, not at all. I just wanted to explain how it works. That's all. Martin, go get some breakfast. We don't need you getting sick. Yeah, absolutely. I'm out of here. Thank you ever so much indeed, guys. Yeah, I'm going to go. I've got to go. Everybody on X, thank you for tuning in. Make sure that you share and post this around. Yeah, everyone's sharing it. Wow, it's being it's being reposted all over X now. I'm looking at it. Yeah, 18 reposts, 13 reposts on the other one. Everyone's sharing it. Good, guys. I'll see you back in a bit. Good luck to you all. I'll be back for the closing bell. Until then, as always, take care of yourselves and each other. Join me now on Extra. It'll take you there automatically. Click the link. You can carry on sharing it, talking to me into the studio, talking to each other. And if there's any massive news, I will see it on Extra. You're talking to me live in the studio, and I will come right back. All right? I won't miss anything. Until next time, take care of yourselves and each other.